Okay, hello internet. I've got my phone set up as a static camera. I'll try removing the boards from the radio, remove them one by one, and maybe we will take a look at them to see if we find any sign of trouble. I will place them in a box and then yeah, maybe take the whole radio apart, but first let's take this apart. Okay, I'm using some made up hooks. This is the CPU board. It looks great on the back and on the front as well. Yeah, just place it in a box. Well, let me pause a bit. Okay. First board is out. The second one, I never got any of the other boards out. Let's see. This doesn't count so easily. Okay. I think I will need to make some better hooks. Okay, I've made the better hooks. Let's see if they help me better. This would be the CGA loop board, whatever this means. This must be some mechanical filters or some sort of other stuff. But yeah, it's looking good, looking okay, not corroded in any way. Cool. Next one is the FDDS. Okay, we have a bit of old age here on this piece of iron, but yeah, that's natural, that's normal. I will have to see if I can treat this with something so it doesn't corrode any more than this. Okay, next one, the intermediate frequency amplifier. Oh, this is slipping off my finger. Off of my finger. Okay, came out. Wow, a lot of SMD parts for 1993. Wasn't expecting this. And a lot of through hole parts too. This is quite a board here. Yeah, they've a lot of parts. Yep. I'm gonna put each board in a box here, with pieces of paper intertwined. Yeah. These two ones, especially the last one, has some cables coming off. Have to be careful at those, at least to remember to put them back where they were. This is the filter board. And this radio has an optional filter installed. Come on. Yeah, I'm sleeping. This is a bit stuck. It's hitting. Oh, it has some earthing connectors, and these are touching both sides. Yeah, as I was saying, same SMD on the back and through hole on the other one. And this one has the optional crystal filter for CW or RTTY, but it's in the wrong place, meaning you put it here for RTTY and you put it here for CW. The schematic is a bit unclear to me. Maybe I will do a later video specifically about this board, because I don't get how the radio selects this filter specifically and not this one from the bottom. They are kind of paralleled in the schematic, so yeah, it's a bit of weird stuff. No missing parts here, but yeah, have a look at it later. And the last board, which has those cables inside, let's try and jack it off a bit with the pliers. They actually sell a special attachment made specifically so you can raise this board up, but yeah. Okay, let's see if we can remember where this let me get a piece of paper. Oh, they are labeled. So nice touch, such a nice touch. Oh my god. I don't think we can see this. Let me get the phone a bit down. So I have this little cable here. It's labeled P57 and it goes into J57. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have to remember those. This one is labeled as well. Very nice labels, very nice. 1990 technology. Yeah, very nice. This was the RF tune board, and I'm gonna take these plugs out. So we'll take these two cables out, and then take some other stuff apart from the radio. Yeah. And with the last board removed, I've flipped the radio upside down. Time to take the bottom case out, which is very rusty. And it has I don't know what this is, but it's dirt, insect poo, whatever. Yeah. Okay. This is the main board. Actually, this is the flip side of the main board. I don't know what to unscrew next. Yeah, this is corrosion here. That on camera. Yeah. This is a plug I've ordered. So yeah, some corrosion here. We will fix this. The boards look okay. They are really okay. Nothing that stands out. This is some loose piece of, what is this? Something loose. Yeah, I'll have to take a look at that. Maybe that's a light bulb or something. Yeah. Okay. Let me see how I can take this off. Yeah, well, it looks like the front panel wants to go out next. I will leave the main board there. So it has one, two, like 4 screws on top and the sides. Let's see if I can get those off. Okay, I just took the screws out and the front panel just seems to come off. Some little spiders in there and some connectors, actually a lot of connectors. Yeah. Oh, this is here. Okay, I will have to take a look at this. I actually took a look at this IC with the thermal camera and it's like 50 degrees. Let's see what's up with that. Okay, we'll unplug all these connectors. This is a bit crooked here. Yeah, this is a really crooked connector here. I don't know why. Let me see if I can get a better picture. Yeah, this guy right here, it's not actually straight, it's crooked on the side. Zoom on this, yeah. I don't know what's up with that. Take a look at it. But yeah, at this time I will just try to take it out and see if there are any bent pins or something. Okay, it looks like this part, whatever this is pushing on that connector there and made it a bit crooked over time. Yeah, wiggly wiggly jiggly jiggly. Well, we can take them out. Okay, managed to take all the sockets out. This is the front panel board. There's a 10-watt speaker. It looks okay. I will be taking this apart because I want to clean the plastic and stuff on the keyboard as well. But yeah, I don't know what this is. This looks like it's glued. Yeah, and I've also managed to break these connectors. The plastic is very brittle, but yeah, I will not be fixing these. It will hold. No real damage done. But yeah, let's see what to take out next. Maybe the main board, maybe the back. Yeah, let's see. Figuring what to take apart next. We got 2 screws holding up this metal part, but this doesn't come off, so I'm gonna take the back off. I already unscrewed it, and this is the inside. It has a really hefty aluminium radiator there, and this is corrosion as fuck, and also some grimy stuff, and that's bad because it's really on the electronics part. Yeah, the mat is already getting dirty, so yeah, There is dust all over the place. I'm gonna try and take the back apart first, and let's see how it goes. Later update, it turns out you can take the whole back block out by the one holding the two screws. You just, there are two screws underneath the thing, there and there, and the whole back of the radio comes off. And of course we need to unsocket these, unplug these, and see what we have next. We have some dead insects there. Don't know what that is, but maybe that was alive sometime. Yeah. Okay. So taking this further apart. One cool thing is they use almost the same screws for everything. Like they have these screws and maximum 2 or 3 other types, but I couldn't get this off because the connectors are in a really tight spot to the case, so I had to take the motherboard out. The motherboard is like held with 20 screws. Each set of 2 screws are holding the walls in between the different boards. So yeah, you have like 6 screws and then 20 on the middle. Yeah. This is what I meant by connectors being in a tight spot. I have to get this off, this one, that one. And with the metal thing here, it's a bit hard to get that out. So to get this off, you have to unscrew the motherboard, and then this just comes off, hopefully. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Just have to take it out slowly because there are wires underneath it. But yeah, getting this out helps a lot in removing those whatever those are sockets. And after a bit of squiggly wiggly on these connectors, I've managed to unplug them all. They're all labeled, so yeah, all but one. All the connectors are labeled, so yeah, I won't have to write anything down. This is P46, goes into J46. Right. Now, the motherboard actually includes the back of the radio as well, and this has some issues in the sense that it has corrosion on this sockets, adapters, whatever. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to take that out, but yeah, the back is really cool. I would really like to make this shiny brand new, but without resoldering new sockets there. Yeah, for this as well, but these are not really that important. Yeah, this is the motherboard. It's now free to go in a box. And we are left with the big hunk of a chunk amplifier board. actually amplifier block because there are multiple boards in it. As you can see, the desk is full of debris and all sort of grime that fell off. I tried to take this apart as well. I'm trying to get the metal and the PCBs separated so I can fix dents in the metal and corrosion and other stuff. Yeah. Up until now, this was the most painful thing to get out, this low pass filter board or whatever. The metal is really corroded. We have corroded screws, we have corroded connectors. Yeah, and to top it all off, we had some jiggly wiggly that were in a really bad position to take out. Yeah, but we did it. And I'm guessing this will be even more fun. Yeah, let's see that. Yeah, I take it back. This is most definitely more fun to take out than the other board. The fan is stuck in here somehow. All these are very short. There are cables running everywhere. These are like very thick wires for the PA unit, and there is crud everywhere, even though I blowed it off with some compressed air. Yeah. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, and future kids. Let me get another light here. Yeah, this is the amplifier board in all its glory with transformers and Toshiba transistors and stuff, with a lot of capacitors there in parallel with the transformers. This was more frustrating to take out than the entire radio. We have the desk full of crud. This is still full of dust. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's an amplifier board, but that seems easy to get out. And the is it the fan assembly? That's a shit whatever. Let's see if it spins, and if it spins, okay. This will conclude the disassembly. I now have a box full of boards and some metal parts. Let's see if I can get rid of this corrosion and check out all the boards for I don't know, for stuff. Yeah, see ya.